Well, we're here. The 49 Ford is finally in the prep booth. I got all the parts laid out, got the hood in the paint room. Just going over it, trying to remember details we got to deal with. And I learned something from one of you gentlemen who commented, and I appreciate all the comments you guys leave, just so you know. We were struggling with the battery box, trying to figure out why it doesn't fit on here. And all it took was one gentleman left a comment. Apparently, the V8, the flathead V8s, the battery box was on one side, and the 6-cylinder goes on the other side. It was that simple. So thank you for that gentleman. But yeah, we got a little paint work to do. We got a little mark in the fender here just from it hanging around the shop too long. Little stuff like that. We learned something about the tailgate. We got this tailgate from LMC, and it was a bed-in-a-box kit. And they mounted these the wrong way. They're riveted in. So we've been trying to figure out, why is the tailgate not closed all the way? Because that one's supposed to go on that side and vice versa. And then the tailgate fits. So we're going to have to strategically drill those out and rivet them in, I guess. Make the tailgate work. And then we're on to wiring after we get this thing painted, assembled. I think I need to find gaskets. That's what we're missing. Gaskets for the fenders. And, ooh, I gotta dig out the wheels. We have brand new wheels for it. Let's get those out right now. These are the new wheels. We waited 2 years, roughly 2 years for these. They're from Wheel Vintiques in primer. And we're still waiting for the beauty rings and center caps. But at least we can paint them. So we'll get them ready, get them all painted. Swap the white walls over because the wheels that are on it are not all the same. They're old, a little bit rusty. So, 49 Ford is up. Yeehaw, making progress.